then you're talking about, well, we talked earlier about how, other doctors should be involved with, with caring for patients in such dire straits, right? And a lot of them are going to be on pain medicines, for example.
Yep.
So you throw opioids in the mix, and that's going to slow down, gastric motility. I mean,
Hmm.
talk about some of the complicating factors when you're mixing disciplines and care approaches. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on that.
That's where communication is huge, right? So especially now today with, there's a significant amount of the population now that are on like GLP-1 agonists, right? So newsflash, we all produce GLP-1. It's a peptide that my gut produces and so does Kylie's when we're not taking Wegovy and semaglutide or any of those factors. But those things can play a role as well too, because they feed back to the hypothalamus. They feed back to this area of the brain that's responsible for, kind of being our thermostat for a lot of different basic functions we don't really think about. It also changes, like you said, gastric emptying. So it slows down how quickly food is thrown into the small intestine. And that's a great thing for us if you're trying to lose weight, if you want to digest your food, things along those lines. But it can complicate things as well. Because what if it slows it down too much to the point now where food is fermenting in the stomach or the small intestine? You lose the gastric and the small intestinal motility. Now you have dysbiosis. Maybe you have these other issues. Maybe you have a predisposition for like small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. You can kind of see how the cascade goes.